Hey friends, Robert Hamm here. Today I'm going to go over the gear I'm taking with me to the walking workshop in Findlay, Ohio, hosted by the FPP. I'm a guest speaker there and excited to go meet the gang. I'm also excited to meet several of you who backed the box and pin box that will actually be in Findlay, Ohio for the walking workshop. So if you're ready, let's take a look at this stuff. It's going to be fun. I'm taking pin box, not just one. I actually have a couple different models that I'm going to be taking so that I can share with people the fun of building pin box. And I may even bring my Cricut machine to show people how easy it is to actually make pin box then and there. So that'll be kind of cool. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I'm bringing some swag. I got a couple of special giveaways that I'm going to hand out to some people that are pretty important to me, and I hope to see you there. You know, could be fun. I've also got the crane, the Xenon crane. I want to really vlog this, kind of make a nice little video. So I'm going to be taking the crane. It's going to be ready to go. But I'm also going to be taking this. Oh, got too much stuff in my hands. Hold on. I'm also going to take the Osmo so that I can go a little bit lighter. So I got the Osmo Mobile, and then I got the Xenon crane. All right, that's some gear that I'm taking. What else I've got? Oh, yeah. For those who wanted to know, yeah, I am taking a printer. This is my smallest printer. It's the Mini Select, Maker Select. It's the Mini, whatever, V2. And this is the one that made the very first new box. So how cool is that? So I want to show people how you can make stuff like cameras right then and there. And so I won't have time to print a whole camera, but we will be printing winding keys for anybody that needs some. So that'll be a lot of fun. Woo! Yeah, speaking of which, we're also taking new box. How about that? This is the red one. This is the OG new box. Probably 20 rolls of film have been through this guy. Really excited. And yeah, this is my favorite one that I've built during the whole prototyping process. It's got some film, well, it's got an empty film spool in there that just happens to have the paper backing on it so that people can take it apart and look at it and get a real good hands-on. That will be a lot of fun. So I'm excited about that. As far as my own other personal cameras that I'm taking for my own fun, definitely the Fuji X100F. I'm probably going to take the adapter as well to get my teleconversion at 50 millimeters. This goes with me everywhere. When you guys hear me talk about a take everywhere camera, this really is my take everywhere camera. The X100. Maybe not the F. It wasn't the F when I didn't have it. It was the S. But yeah, I take it everywhere. And then, oh yeah, let's talk about this. All right, so of course I'm taking the TL70, which is newly been bought and partnered with Rolleiflex. So the Rolleiflex, the newest version of the TL70, is now the Rolleiflex with Rollei branding, which is pretty cool. I like that a lot. So I'm taking that. People will love to get their hands on it. They'll love to see it. They'll love to shoot it. And because I'm taking that, I'm also taking the lens kit. Why not show off all the goodies? The lens kit for the neutral density filters for it. So that'll be good. Which is nice. What else do we have? Oh, yeah. Check out this guy. You guys know what this is. This is the InstantCon RF70 by Mint. This is one of like only 5 cameras out in the wild right now, and I've got one. I'm so honored that Mint gave this to me. This is so cool, and it went through a lot of hands. Matt Day had this one, and a couple other guys had this one. I can't remember, and it was also there when Big Head Take did his review. Take got his own unit, so did the Manju Show. They got their own, but yeah, this one was there. So this one's been almost all around the world, you know, who knows how many countries. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and yeah, by the way, I will also be bringing the neutral density filter kit for the RF70 because Mint's awesome and they sent it to me and it works great. And you can put the neutral density filter on and close, which is cool. I don't think that I will bring any flash. I might bring one flash, the flash bracket, and a sync cable just to show people the capability. But I doubt that I'll be able to have time to use it. In fact, I plan on letting the gang from the FPP during the walking workshop, I plan on letting them use this to get some hands-on with it. In fact, they're so excited about it, they asked me to stick around and be part of the podcast on Sunday to talk about this. Of course, new box, pin box, but also they're interested in this camera as well. They want to hear about it so I can share it with you guys. And so I think that's really cool. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? Other than a lot of film, that's it. Now, I have thought, gosh, you guys know, I have thought that maybe I would take, you know, another film camera like my Minolta or a little Olympus or something. But I think I'm going to hold back. I think I've got more cameras than I know what to do with right now. And so I don't know. If that changes, I'll let you know. Good news is I'll be posting blog updates over on my Instagram at The Box Is Back, as well as on Facebook at The Box Is Back. You guys can follow me there to get all the great information and see what we're doing. And then I'm going to be doing the vlog video so that once we're back a couple days later, I'll have an entire video for what we've done, put out, and share with you. I'm going to enjoy this trip because we're leaving tomorrow, which is Thursday the 2nd. The meet and greet is on the 5th or the 4th or the 3rd. No, we're leaving on the 2nd, 3rd. Yeah. Anyways, we're leaving on Thursday in the morning. We're going to drive halfway, have some fun in the mountains. We're coming from Virginia Beach, so we're going to go across the Appalachian Mountains through West Virginia. We're going to stop, snooze there, do some fun things, have some dinner, and then travel on up to the rest of Ohio, meet the gang on Friday night from 6 to 9 for the meet and greet. Be there through Sunday, having a good time with the workshop on Saturday, and then the podcast on Sunday, and then come back by way of New York on Sunday, and stay the night in New York, and then travel the rest of the way back through D.C. to Virginia Beach on Monday. That's the plan. So we're making a big round trip, several states, and it hopes to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to bring you guys along with it. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please be vocal. Leave some comments down below. Go ahead and follow on at The Box Is Back. Start hitting up that like button and sharing your thoughts with me, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Oh, but if you're going to be in the area, anywhere along that way, let me know. If I can meet with you, I'll give it a chance. I'll check you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time, right? Bye for now.